with your video cutting during playback? We will tell you about 2 ways to fix this problem: changing your settings, and the more important, clean mode. First, make sure that the recording settings fit with your device. First, press the menu icon and then go to Settings. Select Video Settings. Mobizen recommends that you adjust your settings as follows: quality 2.5 megabytes per second, resolution 480p, and FPS 30 frames per second. In addition to adjusting your settings, put your recording into Clean Recording Mode. Clean Mode is a way to record without the air circle, watermark, time, PIP, and touch points. By doing this, it will increase your overall FPS naturally. Go into your menu and then go to Settings. Click on Clean Recording Mode and enable it. Once you start a recording in Clean Mode, stopping the recording is accessible through the drop-down menu. Now, record your screen without lag and share it with everyone.